Good morning, Junior 1. Our lesson today is talking about graphs. Okay? We will make a revision about the types of graph. We have two types of graphs. Number 1, picture graph or pictograph. Number 2, bar graph. Okay? We use this graph to what? To collect the data. Okay? It's very hard to count many things, so we need to make this easier. Okay, so we use what? We use graphs. Okay, the first graph is what? The first graph is picture graph or pictograph. Okay, pictograph has what? Pictograph has picture. Pictograph has picture. Pictograph has picture like this picture. Okay, this picture is what? Is the data of this pictograph. Okay, each graph consists of many parts. The part number 1 is labels. Okay, where's the labels in this pictograph? Labels here. This is called labels. This is called what? Labels. Birds, cats, and fish. Okay, this is called what? Labels of pictograph. I put these labels inside the box. Okay, number 2, we have what? We have a title. Each graph has a title. Okay, so title is important part of a pictograph. Okay, so this is called what? Title. Called what? Title. Again, number 1, labels. Number 1, labels. Number 2, title. Number 2, title. Okay, we put things that we collect in what? In the medium board like this birds and cats and fish. Okay, so we collect what? Collect data. Collect what? Data. What's the meaning of data? Data means information. We collect data in this pictograph. The data of pictograph is what? Is picture. Yes, picture like this picture and this picture and this picture. Okay, so number 1 of pictograph is title. The title we put it up. Number 2, labels. Labels, we put it inside the boxes. Number 3, data. What's the meaning of data? Things that we can collect it or count it. Okay, the data number 1 is birds. How many birds here? How many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so pictograph help me to know the number of birds, right? So the number of birds is what? Is 6. How many cats here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. Okay, so pictograph helped me to count the cats easy. Okay, fish. Number 1, 2, 3. How many fish? 3. Okay, so the number of birds is bigger than or smaller than the number of cats. The number of birds is bigger than the number of cats, right? The number of fish is bigger than or smaller than the number of cats. The number of fish is smaller than. Okay, if I saw the smaller number, this is called the smallest number. Smallest number. And the bigger number is called what? The biggest number. The biggest number is 6, right? The smallest number is what? 3. but the medium number is what? 4. The meaning of medium is between the bigger number and the smaller number. Okay, the number of birds, how many? Yes, 6. And the number of cats is what? 4. We write the number above the picture. Okay, so 6 is bigger than. We draw a symbol refer to the bigger number. Okay, it's like a fish need to eat the bigger number. Okay, so 6 is bigger than 4 and 4 is smaller than 6. Okay, again pictograph has what? Has title, has data, has labels. Okay, the last one of pictograph is key. Okay, this key is number 4, this number 1, this number 2, and data is number 3. Key is number 4. Key helped me to know that each picture has one bit. One bit. What's the meaning of bits? Bits is what? The animals that live in my house called bits. Like cat, like dog, like turtle, like any animal that can live in my house is called what? Bit. Okay, so each picture equal one bit. This is a key of this picture graph. Okay, turn the page. This is called what? This is called bar graph. Repeat after me. Bar graph. Bar graph. Bar graph has what? Has bars. It's like a bar. Okay? Bar of red, bar of blue, bar of yellow, bar of green. Okay? So this is called what? Bars. Called what? Bars. Okay? Or like a boxes. Okay. Bar graph has many bars too. Like what? Number one is what? Number 1 labels. Like pictograph? Yes, like pictograph. But the label of pictograph bar graph is what? Is under the bars. Okay? Under the bars we write the labels. But labels in pictograph inside the boxes, right? Okay, so labels here is red, blue, yellow, green. Where is the data? The data is what? Data is bars. This is called what? The data of bar graph. So data is bars. The bars of this bar graph is called what? Data. Is called what? Data. What's the meaning of data? Thing is that I can count it. Okay, number 3 thing is that called scale. Called what? Scale. What's the meaning of scale? Scale is like a ruler. Like what? Like a ruler. Like this. Begin from what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is called scale. Called what? Scale. Called what? Scale. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, when you see your ruler, the ruler like this. Okay, we use a scale to what? To count the data. To count the data. From up or from down? Yes, from down. From 0. Okay? Can you count with me? Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So the number of red is what? 7. The red reach to this line. So the number of red is what? Is 7. Okay, so I write what? I write 7. How many boxes here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of blue is 5. Yellow, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the number of yellow is 3. We count from down, not from up. Okay? Green, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of green is 5. Red is 7, right? And blue is 5. I write the number above the word. 7 is bigger than or smaller than 5? Yes, 7 is bigger than. Blue is equal to what? Blue 5 and red is 5? No. Yellow is 5? No. Green is 5? Yes. So it is equal to green. Blue equal green. Blue equal green. Open page 49. Open page 49 and write the date. The date today is what? 19 dash 11 dash 2020. Okay, this is a comparison between what and what? Comparison between pictograph and bar graph. Okay, this is pictograph or bar graph. This is pictograph. Right here, pictograph. Write with me. Write with me. Pictograph. Okay, pictograph has picture. Pictograph has picture. Okay. So, what's this? This is called what? Pictograph. And what's this? This is called data, right? Data. Okay. And what is this? Day 1, day 2, day 3. This is called what? Labels, right? Labels. Okay, so this is pictograph and this is data of pictograph and this is what? Labels of pictograph. Okay, طب how many tomatoes that the farmer collect it in day 1? 1, 2. Yes, 2 tomatoes. How many in day 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many in day 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is 2 and this is what? 5 and this is what? 8. Okay, the another graph is what? Is bar graph. Where is the labels here? Yes, the label located down or under the bars. Okay, this is called what? Labels. Okay, what's the name of this graph? The name of this graph is what? Is bar graph, right? Bar graph. Okay, where is the scale? The scale is like what? Scale like ruler, scale like ruler, right here, scale. Okay, so this is a label, this is a scale. And what is this? These bars is what? Is data. Is what? Is data. So put arrow here. This is data of pictograph and this is data of bar graph. The data of bar graph is what? Is bars. Is what? Bars. Okay, the bar number 1, this is called what? Nile monitor. This is animal called Nile monitor. How many Nile monitor here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Nile monitor. Yes, 4. How many hippo? This is called hippo. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 hippo. 4 Nile monitor, 5 hippo. How many heron? This is animal called heron. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 herons. Okay, so 4 Nile monitors, 5 hippos, 9 herons. Okay, so this is a difference between pictograph and bar graph. Pictograph and bar graph. Turn the page. This is our class data colors. Okay, write the date up. What's the date today? 19/11/2020. Okay. Okay. The favorite primary color. What's the primary color here? Can you remember? Primary color is what? Red. Red. Color this circle with red. Okay, and the other color is what? Yellow. Color this with yellow. And the last one is blue. How many red here? Can you count? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, write what? Write 9. How many yellow color? 1, 2. 2 yellow. How many blue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blue. Okay. Which color is the most color or the bigger color? Bigger number of colors. 9 or 2 or 6? Yes, 9. Which color has the smallest number? Yellow. Yes, yellow has 2 only. Yes, 2 only. Okay, so the biggest number is what? Is red. Or smallest number is what? Is yellow. Okay, biggest number is 9 and smallest number is 2. To what color do most students in our class prefer? The most color is what? Is red. So we write the red color. The red color is the most color. Okay? Okay, turn the page. Now we collect the data of hair length. Hair length, write the date. First, 19-11. Okay, we use the circle to draw different hairstyle. Like what? Draw a girl with long hair. With what? With long hair. And write here the number of how many girls has a long hair. Okay, draw the face of this girl with medium hair. medium hair, and draw the last one with short hair. So this is long hair, medium hair, short hair. Okay, now we count how many girls in here has a long hair. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this is long hair 6, and this long hair 7. Okay, so we write here what? We write here 7 girls have long hair. Okay, medium hair, this is short. Yes, 1. Short hair. This is medium hair. This is 2. Yes, short hair. This is 3. Right? 3 girls has medium hair. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we write what here? We write 3 girls has a medium hair. 3 girls have a medium hair. How many girls have short hair? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we write here what? 6. So we have 7 girls have long hair, and 3 girls have medium hair, and 6 girls have what? Short hair. So which hair length is the most common in our class? Yes, it's what? Long hair. It is the most number. Yes, most number. So I write here what? Long hair. Which hair length is least common in our class? Is what? Least 3 or 6. The least is 3. So is the least common in our class is what? Medium hair. Medium hair is the smallest number or the least common hair in our class. Thank you, Junior 1. Goodbye.